Hello everyone, and welcome to my new channel. I'm always making videos of my projects and sharing them with my friends online, so I thought I'd try making a YouTube channel and seeing if anyone on YouTube wanted to see them. This is just an example of some of the things I like to work on and stuff I have in my collection. I've been collecting for about 10 years now, and I think I got some pretty unique, cool stuff. Like this extremely rare Arctic Cat rotary engine powered push mower. It's never even been started. See, the blade has never cut grass. It's more just a display in my shop. This is a VT7 Super Bronc mini bike. It is really fun to ride in the mud, and it's just a blast with those big tires. I got this old Olison and Rice generator. It's pretty neat. Still haven't got around to getting it running yet. I'll make a video on that eventually. This is my 1969 Little Indian. I think I drove 2 hours to get this thing, and it was just a frame, fenders, and forks. And I've actually got all the parts, and now I'm riding it. This Honda 3-wheeler, it's pretty fun. I put new tires on it, cleaned the carburetor out in my ultrasonic cleaner, and I think I put a new chain on it. It's a blast to ride. Oh yeah, I cleaned the tank out on it. It had a lot of rust in the tank, but this thing starts up in one pull. Eventually I'd like to recover the seat and clean it up some. It's still got the barn dust on it from when I first got it years ago. I have a really busy life, and I just work on them a little as I go. It's just my hobby. This 6-horse Tecumseh engine was practically new when I got it. The carburetor was junk, and I had a time getting it running right with this Chinese carb, but it's going good now. Anyway, this is the kind of stuff I'm going to be making videos of. Please like and subscribe if you want to see other videos. I've got probably over 30 bikes altogether, from Hondas to mini bikes and dirt bikes and stuff, and I'd love to make videos on all this stuff and share them with everyone. Thanks for watching.